It started with an ad. You've probably seen it. Some guy on a beach holding up his phone. Amazon pays me $50 a day while I sleep, all from uploading audiobooks. I almost scrolled past until I noticed something odd. The claims were just crazy enough to be true. No writing, no recording, just upload and earn. I had to know. So I did what any sane person would do. I bought AZ Instant Payday at midnight. The training promised 3 ways to win. 1. The cheat code, pre-made audiobooks, ready to upload. 2. The shortcut, AI tools that write and narrate books for you. 3. The hard mode, recording your own voice, LOL, no. Guess which one I tried first? I uploaded my first done-for-you book in 7 minutes flat, then waited. Day 3, nothing. Day 5, crickets. Then on day 7, cha-ching, $9. Not life-changing, but weirdly thrilling. Like finding money in an old jacket. So I doubled down. Uploaded 5 more books, and that's when things got interesting. By week 3, something crazy happened. That little cha-ching notification from Audible became my favorite sound. I was pulling 15, sometimes 20 a day. No, not enough to quit my day job, but enough that I started noticing something weird at the grocery store. I'd be in the checkout line thinking, this cart of groceries? Basically free. My audiobooks paid for it. Then, I hit the wall. My newest uploads, they were barely making $2 a day. Some days, nothing at all. That's when I discovered the real secret sauce. Cut to you holding a notebook labeled Biggest Mistakes. 1. AI voices get rejected if they sound like a GPS. 2. Thriller audiobooks sell 5x better than poetry. 3. This isn't passive. It's a snowball. Slow at first, but unstoppable if you stack enough books. Here's the real deal. AZ Instant Payday isn't a scam, but it's not a magic button either. It's a lever. But if you've ever dreamed of earning while you sleep, this might be the closest thing to a real internet loophole left. Here's the truth. This loophole won't last forever. Amazon could change their rules tomorrow. Look, I'm not saying AZ Instant Payday will make you rich overnight, but if you're curious and can spare $17 to test it, click the link below to get instant access. Worst case, you learn how Amazon's audiobook system really works. Best case, you might just find a legit side hustle. Either way, no risk, all reward.